Jodak kata jogo eko mabedo dak kod ng'ol e kaunti ma Migori ogolo ywak gi ewi kaka sirkand kaunti ma Migori kono ero giwacho ni osebedo koketo gi tenge kinde mathoth. Esther Onana mabende en MCA mogwel e kaunti no ero owacho ni jomodak kod ng'ol kono oket tenge kendo bende dwaro gi ok osebedi ka iwinjo makare gi tend kaunti ma Migori. Jakom jomodak kod ng'ol e kaunti ma Migori mano ero Agnes Matara owacho ni nyaka ne tend locho gwenge chakre pok gineno ber moro amora ma bende devolution kata tend loch gwenge go eko osekelo negi e kaunti ma Migori. Okwayo mondo tend kaunti ma Migori otimne oganda modak kod ng'ol kono ero ber kanyakla kod ratiro margi.
So when I went round and lobbied, because I had done the same event to Kisumu County, I did it and then presented it to the county government in 2020 June. To date, there's not much that has happened. I even went further and even influenced through the office of the speaker, and I am happy that the House took the bill positively. What is happening in Migori County is from the executive side. There is complaint that money is not getting allocated. I am in the House answered, and I take personal responsibility as a leader, that in since we got into county assembly, we have been passing monies on the voted of disability services. It is only that disability services is not prescribed in the CIDP of Migori County. So there is only an indicator to show that disability issues are taken in. This has happened has brought in a very unfortunate scenario, whereby we pass the budget today, and overnight, the following day, the budget is different. What is implemented in Migori County as a budget, I take responsibility as a leader in the House and as a leader outside.
Our disability bill, Migori County Disability Bill, has stuck, and we don't know why, because when we normally engage leaders so that we may know more, then they normally tell us that there's no money to do public participation and also to do the process of the bill. That's why we are not happy like any other disability in the world, because this was our day. We have not enjoyed anything in terms of devolution as persons with disability in Migori County. Number one, we have been excluded in the budget process making and also in the budget allocation. So when there's no money to any department, you can't benefit. And again, because we don't have law, and the government runs with the law, for us to benefit from the government, we need to have a bill or a policy, which we don't have in Migori County. So in nutshell, we have not benefited at all. To me, I'm not. No, they are not. They are not, because all along we lack what we call engagement with them. There's not that engagement is not there. They just